Well, it's finally here. The new CX app is now live. I did a video a little while ago. I was doing the beta version, so I've been doing the testy version. And then I get a text saying, the new app, you may have got this, the new app, get the new app, it's ready to go, and all that kind of thing. So he said, delete the app you got at the moment, and then go to the Google Play Store, and then reinstall the app you got at the moment. I did exactly that, and ended up with exactly the same app as I already had installed on my phone. Or that's what it looked like, because I've had the beta version. It's better. Now this is interesting. So I've installed the new one, and then I've scrolled down a bit, and suddenly this advert comes up, and it's sort of, watch this guy explaining how the app worked. And I thought, I recognise that bloke. He's the bloke with the big nose and the big ears, and he looks exactly like me, because it's me. And I watched it for a little while. And then underneath there was a little link that said, go to the channel. I thought, that's nice. So I rang Tristan, who's the guy I know at the CX. Now, I'm not affiliated with the CX. I don't get paid by the CX. But they talk to me, and I talk to them because of the videos. I said, thank you very much. I said, it's very kind of you to put the video thing on. He said, Pete, any chance you can stick a video out letting everybody know that the new app is there? And I said, yes, I can do that for you. That's not a problem. Because the channel was designed to help people. And if you're on the old, I'm going to call it the Noughts and Crosses app, you want the new app. Now, if you're already subscribed to the CX, you just uninstalled it and you reinstalled it. And I know you're going to be going, oh, yeah, but the new app, oh, yeah, but I don't know what my login details are. Oh, which email address did I use? Did I use my personal one, or did I use the business one? What would I use for code? Was it my wife's mother's birthday? How do I know my wife's mother's birthday? You want the new app. It's worth doing. So maybe before you uninstall the old one, try and work out as much of the login details as you can, because you got it on autofill on Google, and then when you install a new one, you know what they are. It is completely different. It's built from the floor upwards. Things that I've learned, there's that little tray at the bottom, and all those little icons, you can click on them and they kind of take you to where you need to be. The one massive game changer is on the first one, on the home screen, there's the ability to search from anywhere at any time, which you can kind of do, what you used to have to do by logging into the mobile version, the desktop app, and every time you went off it, and it was painful. This is more like Small Fleet. So, like, I'm already searching. I've got a job for one of my customers, and I'm going to end up in Chorley tomorrow. I'm already looking for jobs out of Chorley, and it's easy. And every time you have to do a little fiddly bit when you go on it, you just have to do a couple of tiny resets, but bang, and you're there. That's an absolute winner. I would say the load screen gets a little bit getting used to. Sort of, they were like, it's split into three, and it's like, well, hang on, how do I get back to that and that kind of thing? But there is, and I'm going to do a link. There is a guy at the CX who explains how this works. So you can go and see him, and they've got the shiny one there because it's the CX. You know, they've got all the shiny stuff. They're not like me with videos and stuff like that. But once you got it, it's one of them things. It's a bit like when you get your brand new phone in the 80s, and the first week, I'm never going to be able to navigate all these menus. And then within 2 days, you're going, I've done all these menus. Give me another one. I'm bored. So you do get the hang of it. It just takes a little bit of mucking around. But when you have got the hang of it, it is better. There's also a thing where you can automatically now... there's a map section. I don't use it. I've got a separate sat nav for the truck, which is Waze. I know it's not a truck sat nav. It works for me, all right. There's a bit where you can click on it and it already brings it up. If you're just using your phone and you got the job and you go bang, and it'll bring it up on Waze or Google Maps to take you there. I'm sure that's very nice. I don't use it, but I'm sure it's very nice. I find Smart Pay on the end, the last button on the tray, Smart Pay and Directory, brilliant. Straight to the dashboard, easy for me to check out the invoices, easy for me to filter to see who owes me what and when, and also if I need to chase someone, getting on the directory, it's better. It doesn't just look better, it's better. I know this because I've been using it for the last 2 months, and if you give me the choice of going, do you want to carry on with this one or go back to Noughts and Crosses, I say I'll stick with this one. No, thank you, the Noughts and Crosses. It's kind of, this is much more Monopoly. The Noughts and Crosses. So it's up to you if you do or you don't. Like I say, if you're subscribed to the CX, just just uninstall it, reinstall it. If you're not subscribed to CX and you want to subscribe to CX, do me a favour, follow this link, and that way you'll go through me, and this way I get a drink out of it and you get an extra month, which is lovely. And they'll give you the new app, and they're also, I presume they're doing all other kinds of stuff with smart pay and platform pay and all that kind of stuff, which I don't understand, because like I say, it's not my thing. But the bottom line is the new app is there, and I know sometimes you think, do I need this in my life? The one that I've got at the moment works fine. I would say it's worth the grief. It's worth the grief of uninstalling it, reinstalling it, trying to remember your wife's birthday, and then once you're in, navigating how the load bit works. Because when you get the hang of it, you'll be pleased you did. So that's it. It will hopefully, when it's out, a new, shinier, easier, better way to take care and take money.